Hi everyone, it's me. So I know it's been a hot minute since I have recorded a video last. I think it's been a couple of months now, but I wanted to do this video to kind of give you guys a little bit of a life update and also unbox my new gift from me to me. I did splurge a little bit on one little luxury item to kind of celebrate the new step that I'm taking in my life. So when I saw DIOR come out with this piece, I was so excited. I'm going to unbox this first, and then right after that I'll kind of give you the whole life update and talk about what's been going on. So I first saw this item on Instagram. Some account that I follow had posted it, and I think that DIOR had come out with this color for their Valentine's Day collection. I'm pretty sure they've come out with this before, but in different colors. And obviously when I saw this one, you're going to see in a second, I absolutely died and just had to have it. This is my first luxury purchase since I got my Birkin last year. Last year I was so good. I only splurged on one luxury item, and that was my custom Birkin that I got from the Hermes store. I will leave a link to that video below in case you guys want to watch it. But yeah, I haven't really been keeping up with luxury or, buying anything luxury at all. I didn't want to make any crazy luxury purchases while I'm going through my career change and that. So of course, in typical Saki fashion, this is not a true unboxing. I've already opened it, but if you do want to see the true unboxing, I did upload that for Instagram on my reels. So please go check that out. I will leave the link below. Okay, so here we go. It's a really tiny item, but it is like a bag. Alright, so if you guys have seen this collection, I'm sure you'll already know what it is. Here I have to reveal to you my DIOR heart pouch. I think this is called the Caro heart pouch. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's been so long, literally so long since I've done any sort of unboxing. So yeah, here it is. It comes with this long, beautiful chain. The chain actually has the CD little logo or chain links in it. And then this little pouch is in grained calfskin leather with the CD logo here. I think they call it the Caro because of the way that the CD logo is shaped. On the back there are two D-rings to attach this beautiful chain. I will do some mod shots for you to show how it fits on my body and everything. And then when you open the little purse up, it's just one main compartment with nothing inside. It just has the date stamp, made in Italy, and then the Christian Dior Paris here. It is very tiny, but I think it's really cute. You'll see when I try it on, but I figure it'll be one of those bags that I wear more of a accessory, a body chain type thing, where I'm really wearing it only to carry my ID and credit card, and then the rest of my stuff I'll probably keep in the diaper bag for Killian, because that's kind of how my life is now anyway. So I'm always just carrying the main diaper bag and then something small for myself. So that's also why I thought this would be perfect for my life right now. I think realistically, I know it's way too tiny to actually carry as an actual bag, but paired with the diaper bag or tote bag or work bag or whatever, I think this would be perfect. So here you can see me wearing it. It looks really cute in my opinion on my height. I think it's the perfect size for a belt bag sort of situation. I love the way that it hangs. It's really easy to get your cards in and out. And just for reference, I am 5'3". And I also did want to mention that the hardware is kind of a what do you call it, a brushed gold on the CD logo, but then the chain is actually a very shiny yellow gold. And then also this is a grained calfskin leather, as you can see here. It feels very smooth and soft and almost kind of like lambskin because of how soft it is, but it is a calfskin. So yeah, I'm just super happy with this bag. I really wanted more from this collection. I've been eyeing the micro DIOR bag, but I just don't have the budget for it right now. And yeah, with my career transition and things, I just don't want to make any crazy luxury purchases. So yeah, let me move on to the little update. So if you haven't watched my video all about my career transition and where I'm kind of at in my life, I'm going to leave that down below because I do think that you should watch that video as well. It'll kind of give you like a backstory to what's going on, what I did last year. I'll summarize it a little bit, but if you want more detail, please go check out that video. Basically, in summary, last year I attended a software engineering school. I actually graduated in September, and that's also one of the reasons why I wanted to like splurge a little bit, just, you know, having graduated and also now actually finding my first role in the industry. I'm super excited, and yeah, I basically went to school for front-end software engineering, graduated, was on the job hunt for a couple of months, and then in December I finally accepted an offer. I found a really great junior developer position at a language learning company. I'm really excited about this role because if you guys are OG followers of my channel, you know that I love language. I obviously speak English. My family is from Thailand, so I speak Thai as well. And then I also went to school and got a bachelor's degree in Japanese. And so, yeah, language has always been one of those things that is a big part of my life and is something I'm really interested in. So I'm so glad I'm able to, you know, kind of blend that passion with my newly acquired skills in software engineering. So yeah, I'm just really excited to start that role and really proud of myself for you know, doing the interviews and getting this far and landing a role finally. And I'm really, really excited to start. By the time you watch this video, I'm not sure if I will have already started or not. But yeah, I haven't started yet, and I'm just really nervous / excited. I also wanted to really thank you guys, you know, the probably like 20 of you who are still watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support over the last year. It's been kind of a wild ride with me like going to school and working, and with Killian growing up to be a toddler. It's just so strange, and it feels like so many things have happened in my life, and I really appreciate you know, those of you who've stuck around and who still comment on my Instagram and interact with me. I really, really appreciate it. This is one of the things that kind of keeps me sane once in a while, and although I don't have time to do it often, I still would like to do it. So I'm hoping to film a couple of more videos this year, maybe like an updated handbag collection. I don't know, you guys let me know what you want to see. And then I also wanted to thank my followers who have been in my like career transition journey as well. Some of you actually helped me like get interviews or like referrals for applications, and I really appreciate that, and I literally cannot express how much that means to me. Like, I just feel so eternally grateful to have this community, to be able to lean on like random strangers over the internet, and I don't know, it just feels amazing. And yeah, I just wanted to thank you for being here. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for my video. Please let me know what you think of my new DIOR heart bag. I do think that I'm going to definitely have at least one more unboxing of a bag soon. And then after that, yeah, just let me know what you want to see. Luxury handbag collection, luxury wish list. You tell me what you want to see from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here, and I will see you sometime soon, hopefully. Bye.